Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been stressing over Instagram growth, tired of being stuck with low engagement, and wondering how to reach the right audience, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through Crowd Ignite, the best platform for real organic Instagram growth. No spammy tactics, no shady business, just real results with an AI-boosted strategy that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, pick the right plan, and start growing effortlessly. Let's get into it. Let's be real. Instagram isn't what it used to be. You post, you wait, you refresh, and not enough happens. Sound familiar? Reaching more of the right audience is a challenge. Engagement is down. The algorithm keeps changing. Growing on Instagram is tough, especially when you're up against brands, influencers, and businesses all fighting for attention. Crowd Ignite is here to make it simple to actually get your content in front of the audience you want. If you've tried growing Instagram before, you've seen these. Follow, unfollow strategy, super annoying, and Instagram will block you for it. Buying followers. Looks impressive, but those accounts never engage. Plus, Instagram quickly removes them. Spamming hashtags. The algorithm sees right through that and won't push your content. The problem? These methods don't build a real audience. What you actually need is real followers, real engagement, and a strategy that lasts. And that's where Crowd Ignite comes in. All right, let's get you signed up and growing in no time. Step 1, go to crowdignite.com. First things first, head over to crowdignite.com. Boom, you're here. Right at the top, you'll see a big sign up button. Click that and let's get rolling. Step 2, pick your plan and get the best deal. Now, this part is important because picking the right plan makes all the difference. Standard plan, perfect if you're just getting started and want steady organic growth. This plan includes real engaged followers, no bots, no fakes. Consistent growth strategy tailored to your niche. Regular engagement activities like likes and follows to boost visibility. Premium plan. This is for brands, influencers, or businesses who are ready to supercharge their growth. With this plan, you get all the standard plan benefits plus advanced audience targeting, reach the right people faster. Priority growth acceleration, more engagement, quicker results. Detailed analytics and insights, track your progress in real time. Pro tip, if you go with the annual plan, you get a discount. So if you're serious about long-term growth, lock into that deal. Click on the plan that fits your goals and hit continue. Step 3, create your account. Now, just enter your email address, secure password, Instagram handle for other social accounts you want to grow. Click next, and you're almost there. No long forms, no unnecessary questions, just straight to the good stuff. Step 4, customize your growth. Crowd Ignite customizes your growth strategy for you. Choose your target audience, pick your niche, location, and interest to get the right people following you. Growth settings. Want aggressive engagement or a more natural, steady growth? You're in control. Click next and your account is officially set up. Step 5, secure payment and finish up. The final step, payment. Super secure, super easy. Choose your plan, credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay. Once you confirm, you'll get a welcome email with your dashboard login, your personal growth assistant's contact info, a quick guide to optimizing your engagement. And guess what? You're in. One of my favorite things about Crowd Ignite is how easy it is to use. The dashboard is super clean and modern, no clutter, no confusion. Easy to track your progress, watch your growth in real time. Full control, adjust settings whenever you need. You're not just guessing, you're seeing your brand grow right in front of you. Here's the secret to long-term success. Post quality content consistently. Crowd Ignite gets you visibility, but great content keeps people engaged. Engage with your followers, reply to comments, ask questions, start conversations. Leverage your new audience, turn followers into fans, customers, or brand advocates. This is how you scale. Crowd Ignite brings them to you, but you build the relationships. All right, so now you know exactly how to sign up and start growing today. Go to crowdignite.com. Pick your plan, standard or premium. Don't forget that annual discount and get started in just a few minutes. Real followers, real engagement, real results. Remember, Crowd Ignite actually is super simple. Advanced AI-powered targeting finds the best audience for your niche. Your content gets promoted across a network of 400 million plus users, from influencer partnerships to ad placements. Real people discover your profile, engage with your posts, and follow you organically. Unlike other services, there are no bots, no fake followers, and no risky tactics. CrowdIgnite boosts your visibility the right way, helping you grow your audience and get real engagement that lasts. So, give CrowdIgnite a shot. It's the easiest, most effective way to increase engagement, attract real followers, and grow your brand without wasting time on failed strategies. Try it today. With a money-back guarantee, there's zero risk in seeing how it works for you. Check out the link in the description to get started. Happy growing, and I'll see you in a follow-up video.